Hello from this wild nudist beach here in AYIA NAPA, Cyprus. And it's wonderful New Year's Eve, 31st of December. It is 3:40 p.m. right now, and I'm chilling here on this wonderful nudist beach. So I'm going to take a swim now as well and enjoy to the maximum. As it is December, the last day of December, there are not so many people today on the beach. Probably none around the coast. So it's perfect to explore and be on your own on this nudist beach if you wish to. So yes, beach adventures with Chris are in AYIA NAPA, Cyprus, and I'm showing you the beauty of this Mediterranean island located on the Middle East. Despite Cyprus being in the EU, it's actually very close to Israel, Lebanon, and the other Middle East countries. And the water here today looks amazing. Last time I was here last week, it was so many waves coming from the water, but today it is perfect for a nice and relaxing swim. So yeah, this is day 11 of my Christmas and New Year's vacation here in Cyprus. So I have 4 days left after this one. And tonight is gonna be New Year celebration. So that's amazing. And tomorrow I'm gonna start the year with a swim in this beautiful Mediterranean Sea. So let's then get ready for this beach adventure today in this calm nudist beach spot. It doesn't have an actual name, but it's in between Kambouri and Limnara beach. And there is even a parking nearby. Amazing, beautiful sunset swim at the nudist beach. We're gonna have around 40 minutes more of sunshine today. And the year is coming to an end, but on the positive note, since 20th of December, the day is getting longer and longer every day. So that's positive, but it's gonna be a lot more longer when we go into March with the daylight savings mode on. This looks super nice and amazing. I just love this kind of rocky, wild beaches. Beautiful. And this is probably one of the only unofficial nudist beach in Cyprus. Let's see if I can stumble here correctly on the rocks. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Look at this beauty. I'm so happy right now. In paradise. Cool! Okay, let's then swim at this wonderful nudist beach spot here in AYIA NAPA, Cyprus. Let's go! Amazing. Beautiful, beautiful. You can find your own inner peace in these nudist rocks, especially now when it's not windy and there are no waves. Otherwise, it's a bit dangerous to approach from the coast. You can see also from here Cabo Greco, and on the other side, AYIA NAPA Marina that I have shown you during my beach adventures this season here. So cool, I'm gonna enjoy here a bit more in the sunshine. And Happy New Year! And greetings from this nudist beach spot in AYIA NAPA, Cyprus, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris!